Hey guys, I'm really excited because today we get to do a rapid fire unboxing of our StemWall device. And these devices are shipping and available right now, so I want to make sure you know what to expect when your StemWall arrives to your office for the very first time. So let's dive in and see what we got. All right, so as we open the box for the first time, the first thing I'll grab is the paperwork. We have our STEM user agreement. We will just toss that to the side, and we have our wall user manual. Now, this has some important information about how to set up your device, a basic overview, a description of what the lights mean on the device, product specs, and our warranty. Tons of great information. Next up, let's grab the cables here. So we have our 15-foot Cat6 Ethernet cable. Now this is going to provide your StemWall with data and power. We also have a 12-foot USB cable. This is what you're going to use to connect your device directly to the PC if you're just using one STEM device per room. We'll put those to the side. And next up, we'll pull out StemWall here. It's got its protective foam around it. We'll slide all 4 of these off. Now here is StemWall in all of its glory. There you go. We have our 15 microphone array right here up front, your speakers on the side, and here on the back, this is where you're gonna find the subwoofer. And if you're planning on mounting StemWall, we have these 2 screw keyholes, which is where you're going to use the last piece of our unboxing, the StemWall bracket. Now this wall bracket is what you're going to mount directly to your wall with the 3 screws provided, even as a leveler, so you can make sure that it is perfectly aligned with your room. Once you've mounted this to your wall, you're going to take StemWall and click it right on. Really easy process there. And that's it. That's a rapid fire unboxing of StemWall and everything you'll need to get your device up and running. Thanks for watching.